Hey guys, watching DroidCrunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Short.ai, and we have already talked about this specific software in one of the last videos, and you can use it for generating short videos. You can easily generate short videos out of your long videos, 10 viral clips out of the one video, and also generate AI story, Reddit story, fake text, AI superhero, fake text video, and all of these kind of funky stuff. And you can also auto subtitle generator option you have, and you can also schedule your posts to all your social media handles. So that is going to be very fun, very creative. And in this video we will be talking more about how to schedule the videos so that you don't have to manually do all things to publish your content on various social media handles. So you don't have to avail any other third-party service to do that, which is quite expensive. For example, Buffer, that allows you to schedule your content. That is very expensive. You have to buy your plan, but here you get this access in this software itself. So yeah, you will need to generate the video first. You can check out my last video. That is very easy, to be honest. You just have option to use your script. You can input a custom script by giving it a video starting hook, video ending CTA, and input your script over here. You can also leave it, it is just an option, and then you can click on the next. And you can also use the AI script option to generate the script. There are plenty of templates you can choose from, or you can go with the custom prompt and it will generate the script for you. So when the script is ready, and you can move to the background, choose various styles that are available: Ghibli style, watercolor, mango style, Pixar, oil painting, sci-fi art, dark style, Lego style, like this, and Disney style. So you can choose from various styles. You can choose various ratios, dimensions and all. And then you can choose a subtitle for your captions. You can choose the voice that you need in your video. There are plenty of voices based on genders, age, language. You can filter them and get the one that you need in the video. You can also access the more settings to style exaggeration, voice stability, voice volume, voice speed. Everything you can customize from here, and choose the background music as well. You can search the music. You can filter the music to get the one that would be most suitable for your video. And once the video is generated, it will be in your projects over here like this, and from here you can post it or auto post it, to be honest. But to do that, you will just need to go to this publish button right in the sidebar over here, and then you have option to connect to your social media handles. Just click on connect channel and it will open up this pop-up, and here you can choose the channel that you want to connect, and it will take only a few seconds. You have to give authorization, you have to give permissions that this application can auto publish the content using your account. So that is very easy and very simple to do that. You can connect your TikTok, connect your Facebook, so everything can be automated. So basically you need this connection in every application that allows you to schedule posts. So that is very standard, and once you are connected with your social media handles, you can access them. You can see the calendar over here. You can list out all the content. You can see the queue, draft, sent, and the failed thing. So everything can be managed. So here you can go to your projects, click on this post option.
Ever wonder why Greenland looks massive?
And here you can preview your video that was generated. It will show you
Ever wonder why Greenland
how it will look.
Ever wonder why Greenland.
And here is a title. This is basically auto generated. So whenever any post comes to your publish option, it is having the title automatically there, description automatically there, visibility options.
Ever wonder why Greenland looks massive on
even customize this text. You can also use this AI rewrite to regenerate that text.
Ever wonder why Greenland looks massive on most.
So if you're not happy, you can just click on AI regenerate and it will regenerate the description and customize it here as well. So when you are ready with the final customization of your text and video content, you can just click on either publish now, or you can schedule the post choosing this date from here. You can choose the time itself, the date, and done. You can also save as draft. If you're not sure when you will need to publish it, you can save it on the draft as well. For example, you have people managing your content, then you can allow them to save your draft, because they might not know when to publish the content, so they can generate and they can save it to the draft, and you can go ahead and come and publish or schedule posts by your end. So that is very easy to manage and allows you to automate the content using the AI. It automatically generates the videos, automatically generates the captions, voiceovers, and the background music for your videos. So this is quite fun, and you have plenty of kits to choose from. So however, you will need to have a better plan for this, because the standard plan doesn't allow you to do that, of course. So you need this channel plan, which allows you to automate the content. So this is a creation plan that allows you to generate the content. You can save and manually publish the content, and there's a channel plan that is kind of an add-on that comes over your creation plan, and it will allow you to include your 3 channels and automate the content. So yeah, this was all for this video. You can also check our link in description, and that surely helps us to make videos like this for you, and it will also help you to save some penny when buying the software. And if you have any questions, you can check out you can also reach out to Short.ai itself, or you can ask in the comments your queries. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please go ahead, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.